Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up TP-Link Deco XE75 as a repeater. Keep in mind that in wireless mode Deco can only extend a Wi-Fi network created by another Deco. However, you can set up any Deco as a wired access point which will mirror your router's network settings. In this video I'll show you both options. Let's get started. So make sure your Deco unit is connected to a power source and the LED indicator is flashing blue. Next you need to connect your Deco to a Wi-Fi router or modem. You can use any of these Ethernet ports. Each of them can work as input or output in both ways. So connect the Ethernet cable from the box to your Deco and the other end connect to your router or modem, just like this. Make sure your modem or router has internet access and continue on your smartphone. What you need is install TP-Link Deco application from App Store or Google Play Store on Android devices. So install this app, open it, allow to send notifications, agree to the terms and conditions, hit continue, allow to find devices on local networks. It's very important, so tap on allow. Now you have to log into your TP-Link account or create one if you don't have. Let's log in. Skip two-step verification setup for now, you can do it later. Just hit OK over here and paint your home in Wi-Fi. Tap on Let's begin. Allow to find Bluetooth devices, it may be helpful as well. Now it's looking for Deco. It's found, you need to tap on Join. If your Deco is not found for a long time, try to tap on this icon and scan the product label on the bottom of your device. Your Deco will be connected. So tap on Join. Now you are connected to Deco and tap on Set up the Deco, create a network, tap on Next arrow, restart your modem and tap on Modem Restart it. Now where do you place this Deco? Select location, let's be in living room. Tap on the next arrow. On this screen you don't have to change anything unless you are an advanced user. Tap on Next and create your network name. And create password. Let me use simple password for this example. You need to create stronger password, I believe it. Tap on Next. Now it's creating your Wi-Fi network. Just be patient and wait for a while until this line fills. Now as you can see, the LED indicator turns green. It means you're all set, but wait for the application reaction. Deco application wants to join your new network. Allow this. So connect your secondary Deco to a power source in the next room or just in the place where Wi-Fi signal from the main Deco is weak. Plug it in and wait for the flashing blue Wi-Fi signal. And once you see the flashing indicator, just tap on Add another Deco. Select your home configuration, 1, 2, or 3 and more floors, and tap Next. Place your Deco in the right place. They advise you to place devices in an open space. Then tap Next. Place them away from large electrical appliances. Tap Next. Plug in your Deco and wait until Deco's LED pulses blue. Already done, so Next. It's looking for Deco. The Deco is found. And you need to tap on Add this device. Name this device. You can select from this list or set a custom name. Let it be bedroom. Tap Next. And just hit Done. And now you have the main Deco unit and the range extender Deco unit. If you need to add more extenders, you need to tap on plus, add a Deco unit and repeat the previous steps. And now you can switch the operation mode of the entire Deco network to wired access point. To do this, head to More at the bottom, find Advanced, tap on Operation Mode and switch to access point, tap on Apply. Your Deco will reboot when switching operation mode, so tap on Reboot and wait for a while. This will take a few minutes. Now the operation mode is switched and your Deco network still has its own network name and password, but some settings disappeared from the application, like security settings, parental controls and network settings from this menu, because now they managed by your main router and your Decos now is just the access points. That's how it works, and if this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys!